Welcome to Hydrohaven and my How I Kratky series. In this series, I will walk you through how I Kratky from setup to harvest over the course of 6 weeks. I've geared this video series to people who are familiar with hydroponics in general, but have little or no growing experience. If you're not familiar with the Kratky hydroponic method, I've included 2 videos in the description below. To show you how I Kratky, I set up a single storage rack with 3 Happy Leaf grow lights. Under those grow lights, I grow 5 heads of lettuce a week, plus a little bit extra. I'm persuaded that this process is repeatable and scalable. I encourage you to view all the videos in sequence. I also put a grow room setup video at the end of the playlist. The setup video has good information, but is not essential to understand my grow process. It is mainly provided as a reference, but feel free to watch it first if you want. Thanks for watching. If you would, hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. Enjoy the series. I hope you find this information useful.